Hello, I am Joanna, and this is my cultural awakening story. My heart was yearning for connection, for a deeper understanding of my roots, and then I found myself on a journey to Halabja, a city pulsating with a vibrant spirit of my Kurdish heritage. As I wandered through Halabja's sun-kissed streets, I felt the heartbeat of my people in every corner, the rhythmic pulse of traditional music, the nimble hands of artisans crafting raw materials into excellent masterpieces, and the echo of stories passed down through generations. Sitting by a crackling fire, I listened to my aunt's soothing voice, weaving tales of Kurdish heroes and heroines, igniting a fire within me, deepening my connection to my people, and giving me a profound sense of responsibility to preserve not only my own culture, but the tapestry of humanity's cultural heritage. The spirit of Nowruz, the Kurdish New Year, filled the air, transforming the streets into a vibrant spectacle of celebration. Amidst the joyful melodies and the vivid colors, I felt a sense of unity, a reminder of the enduring strength and the resilience of humanity. Venturing beyond the bustling city center, I discovered a delicate balance between the old and the new, where modern buildings stood as beacons of progress amidst the city's rich historical heritage. The ancient stones that anchored Halabja whispered tales of resilience, a reminder that the roots of our shared cultural heritage remain strong. In a moment of quiet reflection, an ancient family tapestry, its threads whispering tales of generations past, fell into my hands. This timeless treasure fueled a fire within my heart, inspiring me to become a guardian of humanity's cultural heritage. I vow to ensure that this tapestry of legacy continues to thrive for generations.